Hello. Dear students of class 10, we are going to solve mathematics by R.D. Sharma, chapter 1, exercise 1.1, real numbers, question 6. So if you follow all of my videos, you can score good marks in board examination. So the question is, prove that the square of any positive integer is of the form 4q or 4q plus 1 for some integer q. So we will let any positive integer is equals to n. So n is of form, we will take either 2m or 2m plus 1. So we need a square of any positive integer of form 4q or 4q plus 1. So we will take the square of n. So we will take n is equals to 2m. So we will take square both sides, 2m square. So I will write here squaring both sides. So n square is equals to 4m square. So here we can take q is equals to m square. So we can write n square is equals to 4q. So we got first form, which is 4q. Now we need 4q plus 1 as given in question. So we will take n is equals to 2m plus 1. So again we will square both sides. So I will write for you squaring both sides. So n square is equals to 2 times 2 is 4m square plus 2 into 2 is 4m plus 1 square is 1. So I will take common. Common will be 4 because we need 4q plus 1. So m square plus m and plus 1. So I will write here, we will take q is equals to m square plus m. So we got here n square is equals to 4q plus 1. So that's all for this video. If you liked my video, please subscribe to the channel. And if you have any comment about the doubts of this video, you can drop it down in the comment box. I will try to solve as soon as possible. And if you follow all of my videos, you can score good marks in board examination. That's all. Thank you for this video.